Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Alright, so we're back with another video, but this time mommy's in the kitchen. Different background. Where are we? Over there. Canada with my mother da. So if you don't want to see the entire journey, check out the channel Morris Time Family and you see the journey of mommy migrating here to Canada with us. So mommy's in the kitchen. We're going to be making some Sunday dinner. She's making us that authentic Jamaican way. What will I get to the mommy? Rice and gungo, aka pigeon peas. And we have here about a cup and a half of dried pigeon peas.
The reason why you come out because you know, make the rice white to make it look good.
Okay. As I said before, this is about a cup and a half of the dried pigeon peas. In Jamaica, we call it gungo peas.
Go washing first. As much as they come in at the pot, but you need to wash them.
Alright, so you just get that wash to remove any excess dirt from the peas. Even though they're in the pot, as we were saying, still wash them about 2 to 3 times. 2 times until the water runs clear.
Yeah, get some water, not plenty.
Alright, so let's check out the water contents. We have about 3.5 cups of water.
You have to make it boil up first. So instead of throwing the peas, I took it by this. I'll look if any dirt in there. If any dirt in there, I'll wash it again. But if it's clear, you know it's clean. Alright, so now I'll get the garlic now.
So you put that on the stove.
See, people I don't use to these stove.
You put it on medium high there about and allow that to come to a boil. So how many garlic are you using right now?
About 2 pegs. So you know you're going to put that in there. So you're going to add some salt in there because you don't want your piece to cook fresh. You know salt is not going to have no taste.
Alright, so that's about a tablespoon and a half of salt. And you season it from the get-go so that you don't have to constantly be adding in salt. Just cover that up, allow it to cook until it comes to a boil. Alright, peas has come to a boil. Just gonna add some oil in there. Why add the oil?
Because of the coconut milk.
Okay.
So you put that in every if I do dry coconut now,
oh, so you help give the coconut milk some more sheen and flavor. Okay, so you say if you use the fresh coconut, you would normally use the oil.
No.
Alright, so once you realize the piece floats to the top, what she's doing now, she gets cold water to submerge all those floating peas to the bottom. And in Jamaica we call this sinking the peas. So this is what? 8 cups of, yeah. So that's 8 cups of water. So in total we have 12 cups of water, so 12.5 cups of water so far. And once you do that, you're just going to cover that and allow it to come to a boil again. You don't cover it all the way at the second boil?
Yeah, because you don't want to boil over until we put it at medium.
Okay. You're going to allow this to cook, come to a boil and cook for another 30 minutes to an hour thereabout, depending on how tough these peas are, and then that way you'll check it to see how soft they are, and then we're going to move from there. And there goes the timer for the pigeon peas.
Probably will put more water and it looks like that. Alright.
And it's been 30 minutes. I'm just going to add more water because it still needs cooking. So that's another 2 cups of water. So in total, we're working with 14 cups thus far. Cover that back and allow it to cook. I'm going to set the remainder after 30 minutes.
Mix our coconut milk.
Alright, so for today's recipe, we don't have no fresh coconut, so we're using the coconut milk powder. How many packs? One?
One.
Okay. So 1 pack of that coconut milk powder.
Yes.
And that's what we're going to be using to cook this gungo and rice.
So we're gonna add the hot water from the pipe.
Is it hot water from the pipe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So just mix that out until everything is dissolved.
Hot water mix out better. We'll add the cold water. So we'll have it to be gungo now, make it take its time. And one cook down as I'm saying, I want to wait for water and we rice and gungo. Now rice and peas, so we're gonna have a little bit.
Alright, beautiful.
So that's gonna take its time now. And cook down.
Nice, nice, nice.
1 little bit of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Okay, beautiful. So why do you add sugar in your rice?
Oh, it's getting nice and peas and nice flavor.
There you go. Not too much to make it overly sweet, just a little amount.
Coconut milk in there, you cannot cover it all the way. It's gonna boil over.
Okay.
You have a massy. So that's
So you cook that on medium low heat for another 20 minutes to get everything fully infused. And then after that, we're gonna add in the onion, the green onions, thyme and stuff like that. Yeah, so we'll check back in.
We're going to get with scallion, with thyme, with pepper, with butter.
All that good stuff.
Right.
So 1 stalk of scallion, 1 stalk of fresh thyme.
Then 1 little bit.
You beat it up a little bit.
Yep. Then you put it here.
Add that right into your cooked peas.
Yes. So we're gonna add 1 green pepper. We're gonna add just
Nice, a heaping tablespoon of butter. Right in.
10 more minutes, then we can add with rice. Gungo well cooked.
You're gonna wash the rice in a minute.
Right, yeah, the meantime.
Beautiful. There we go. So this has been cooking for over an hour and a half now. And bear in mind, we're not pressuring these, we're just cooking it on the stove top on medium to low heat. And there we go.
So you see the color, people?
The
Brown color. We don't want anything look white. We want it to
beautiful.
look like rice and peas.
Yeah. Cover that 10 more minutes and then we're gonna wash and add the rice. 4.5 cups of long green white rice. Just gonna wash that until the water runs clear.
Right. Come now, the summers.
So that's how you do it. You pile all the rice in the middle of the pot. And once you can see the peak of it, then you know it won't be soft. Okay.
Alright, we'll use a nice chili rice.
That's the secret to shelly rice. Apart from using the 2-inch method or the spoon method where you measure the water, you can pile the rice in the center of the pot, and once you can see the grains on top, then you know you have the perfect amount of water. If however you pile the rice in the middle of the pot and you don't see the rice grains, that means you have too much liquid in there.
So you're gonna get a stir now.
Nice. No more salt. Good to go. 1 time season up. Alright, so 15 to 20 minutes or until the water dissolves. Yep.
Yes, we're gonna.
Forgot to add some pimento berries in the rice, so we're just gonna add that right. You can add this from the get-go.
But you know, 2 little still.
Yeah, so about 3 to 4 berries and you're good to go. Once the liquid dissolves like that, then you're gonna turn that heat down to minimum. Very low heat. So you have some foil with water on top. And we're just gonna cover the entirety of the top. So add a little bit of water on top of the foil. That will help to steam the rice beautifully for 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, check up on that rice. All the water has dissolved from the foil, and we're good to go. Rice looks nice and fluffy. So even though you're looking at the grains right now and they look a little bit soft, once you just fluff the rice up gently, leave that without the foil on top, and it will just get nice and shelly afterwards.
Right. So cover it now.
Cover that without the foil, yes. And then it will just get nice and shelly.
Right. Big up yourself, and thanks for watching, and subscribe and share. Yes.
That is it.